I'll guide you through how to buy and sell stocks with Cash App investing, turning your balance into an investment portfolio without paying any commission fees. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, download the app and follow the registration steps. You must verify your identity for regulatory compliance. Link your bank account and use Add Cash to fund your main Cash App balance for investing. To buy stocks, tap the Investing icon tab at the bottom to navigate to the Trading section. Use the search bar to find the specific company stock or ETF you want to buy. Tap the Buy button to initiate your purchase. Enter the dollar amount you wish to invest to use Cash App's fractional shares feature immediately. Review the order details and tap Confirm to place your market order. Remember, orders placed outside 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST execute when the market reopens. To sell stocks and withdraw funds, tap the Investing icon again, then select the stock from your portfolio you wish to liquidate. Select the Sell option, then enter the dollar amount you want to sell. Confirm the sale, and the proceeds will be instantly credited to your main Cash App balance. From the main Cash App balance tab, tap Cash Out to transfer the funds to your linked bank account. Understand the fees, limits, and important safety features within Cash App investing by checking your profile. Also, look for the option to set up recurring investments to build wealth automatically. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.